Hello. So I am going to be showing you how to make the Daily Detox drink. And the purpose of this drink is to clean out toxins from your digestive tract, so your intestines. And you would take this drink either right before you went to bed or first thing in the morning when you wake up. Your choice. Tonight I'm going to be taking it before bed, but usually I would take it first thing in the morning. And what this does is it helps to just clear everything out of your digestive tract, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And we're going to go over each ingredient, and there are 5 ingredients. So first things first is this is alkaline water. It is about 8 ounces of it. I don't like to use a lot of water because there is kind of like a thickness to this drink. I like to slurp it down as fast as possible. So we're not making a huge drink, we're making a small drink. One of the first ingredients that you're going to put in there is psyllium seeds. What are psyllium husks? What the psyllium does is it scrapes out the sides of your intestines. And so the purpose of that is you don't, a lot of times we're not eating enough fiber in our diets, and also a lot of times we've got a lot of mucus buildup along the insides of our intestinal tract, and so what that does is helps to remove that mucus. And over time, what happens is that this mucus changes viscosity, so it turns into kind of like a tire tube, and by removing that mucus from your intestines, your nutrients are able to move into your system much easier. Okay, so you're going to take a scoop, about this is about a tablespoon and a half, but I wouldn't put more than a tablespoon. This is just what I use. This is a coffee scoop. But I would use a tablespoon of the psyllium husks and put that in the water. Okay. The next ingredient that you're going to use is zeolites. So zeolites are volcanic rock that is, it has a charge to it, and so that charge attaches to heavy metals in your digestive tract and it removes those metals. The only thing that you have to be really careful about this is don't use a metal anything. So you can't have a metal glass and you cannot have a metal spoon when you're using this. Okay, use plastic. Use whatever the scooper size is in the container. 1 scoop. The next ingredient is charcoal, activated charcoal. So this right here, and I usually just use a capsule of it, and I will remove the capsule. I will detach the 2 sides and then put that into the drink. Okay. The next ingredient is organic chia seeds, and chia seeds are important to put into this drink because what they do is they make it a little bit smoother, so they turn into a gel, and so when this kind of mixture is moving through your intestines, it's just a little more gentle. It goes through a little bit easier. I've got about 1/2 teaspoon in here, and just a little tip: freeze these, stick these in the freezers because they go rancid pretty fast. So I would stick it in the freezer if I were you. And then finally, the last thing to add into this drink is your pure organic lemon juice. And that's just going to help it to go down a little bit easier. And I put about a tablespoon in there. It's up to you. That also makes the drink alkaline. Okay, so stir it up. It looks really gross. And then you're gonna drink it as fast as possible, like so. So, it's not that bad if you do it quickly. I got this recipe from studying a lot of Dr. Sebi's work. The only change that I made was I substituted the zeolites for the bentonite clay. And the reason why I did that is because the bentonite clay is a little bit rough on your system, and the zeolites have an effect of removing the heavy metals that the bentonite clay does not. And so I thought it was an appropriate trade. And I've had a lot of really good results with this little detox drink in the morning. I wouldn't suggest doing it for longer than 2 weeks at a time. Maybe once every seasonal change or twice a year. You know, every now and then I'll just have some water with some zeolites in it, just because I feel like I need to get stuff out of me. It's important to recognize that this is only cleaning the digestive tract. There is a product called nano zeolites that is pretty cool, and that works in your bloodstream and in your brain to remove heavy metals from your system. So if that's something you're worried about having too many metals in your system, which many people have because of our environment and because of just the various toxins that we're exposed to nowadays that we not necessarily wouldn't have been exposed to 100 years ago, even 50 years ago. Just the rise of technology and various pollution. If that's something you're worried about, I would research nano zeolites. There's some pretty good products out there on the web. And if you want me to suggest what I've researched in terms of that particular product, just send me a note and I will let you know. I'll make a video about that. Okay. Enjoy your drink. Drink it fast. Don't let it sit. Just drink it fast. Okay.